guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my bathroom because it is done and I am so excited to share it with you. We still have two things to do, which is a toilet paper holder and a towel, like a hand towel holder. I just can't find one. And so I was not gonna let that stop me in showing you the reveal. I will have everything linked in the description box below. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of walk you through everything and then I'm going to decorate the bathroom. So stay tuned. Okay, I brought you in a little closer so we could talk about the shiplap on the wall. This was painted with Windborne White from Farrow and Ball. We did shiplap from floor to ceiling on the main wall, and then just a vertical shiplap on this wall, halfway. And I really like it. This was Erin's idea. I wasn't sure about it, but I really actually enjoy it. The blue color on the wall is kind of hard. I can't give you an exact color because it is something we kind of just worked. I had a color matched, and in my video recap number 2, I showed you the paint. It was just too dark, so we just took White Dove and added it to the blue, and this is what we came up with, and I love it. It's just like this, like a little hint of blue, but it's like a warm grayish blue. It's kind of coming off in the camera brighter blue, but it's not. Anyway, let me just take you off the tripod here and kind of give you an overview of like the vanity and the light. The vanity, the light, the mirror, and the faucet, they all came from Lowe's, and I'll have them linked. Our total cost for this bathroom makeover was about $700. The majority of it being the vanity, which I'm so glad we ended up doing, because we were going to just keep our old one and redo doors, but the doors were like $45 a piece, and it would have ended up being almost the same price. But we also had a few gift cards and Christmas money, so we used that towards our vanity. So Merry Christmas to us. But we love it, and I hope you guys will love it too. guys enjoyed today's video, please, if you like these transformations, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because my whole house is going to be remodeled this year and I can't wait to share it with you. And I also have my son's room that I need to share also. I'm just still working on the decor in there. It's hard, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions of what I could put on there, on that wall, or if I should just leave it blank, let me know in the description box below. I kind of think I just need to leave it blank, but then my mom was like, are you gonna put anything there? And then I was like, ooh, well, I don't know. I just feel like the towel bar works there. So anyway, if you guys have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. I'm always over there chatting with you. I'm also on Instagram, so I can connect with you over there too. I will leave all of that in the description box. Anyway, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.